Hi everyone, today I'm gonna teach you how you can make this micro edit plus rotation transition in After Effects. First of all, open up After Effects, and when your clip is ready, right click on your mouse, go to time and enable time remapping. Delete the extra layer. Go to middle of this clip, then set a keyframe and copy the first keyframe, paste it on your end of the clip. Now select all of your keyframes and press F9 on your keyboard for easy ease. Now copy my graph and do exact same thing for your other layers. Once it's done, pre-compose your layer and do exactly what I do.